Hey, Dr. Andrews here, chiropractic neurologist at PC Wellness Center. Thank you much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. You know, we put a lot of content out there and we really hope you guys appreciate it, and I hope you guys get something out of it. I was just treating a patient just about 5 minutes ago in this room, and I was going to adjust her neck, and I explained everything I was about to do and made sure she was comfortable, but then she asked me the question, is it gonna make that noise? Am I gonna hear a pop? And that's a common question and a common fear for a lot of people. And I don't think we've made this video, so I wanted to take a couple minutes in between patients and shoot this real quick and tell you exactly what makes that noise. So maybe we can, squash some of your guys' fears. So first thing, let's go over some anatomy, okay? So I've took a spinal segment here. You've got vertebra, disc, vertebra, okay? Turn to the side here. You can see these spinal nerves come out in between each vertebra through these little holes. And there's just enough wiggle room there. And then flip around, you've got the transverse processes on the side that stick out sideways. You've got the little joints here that move. And then these bones here on the back, or your spinous processes, that's what you see on people whenever they bend over, okay? Not quite on me, maybe 30 pounds ago. So that's some basic anatomy, okay? Now let's talk about the joints, all right? These little joints right here, that's typically what we adjust in the spine, although we adjust joints all over the body. And these joints are called synovial joints, which means the bones don't attach or they don't bump into each other, okay? They're connected by a little ligament or a capsule right here, and then that little capsule is filled with fluid called synovial fluid, okay? So when we do an adjustment, it's just a quick stretch, either side to side or front to back. And whenever we do that, we are putting motion in that restricted joint, and we're also correcting any kind of misalignment, okay? That restores this range of motion. And that adjustment that we do allows gas to seep out of these little synovial joints that I just explained, okay? When we move this side to side, back to forward, pop, some gas comes out, okay? And that gas, either, one pop or multiple pops you might hear, that noise, that pop is just gas that's escaping out of that joint, okay? Just like when you see a bubble in the air and it pops, that's all that noise is, okay? Remember I explained that these joints don't touch, so that noise is not these bones ramming into each other or anything breaking or grinding or anything like that. It's simply gas that comes right out of the joint and makes that noise, okay? So an adjustment, I could shoot an entire video on the benefits of an adjustment, but the wonders of an adjustment is, like I said, it restores the range of motion in these joints. It relaxes the muscles that are attached to these bones and these joints in this region of your spine. I could keep going on and on. Allows you to sleep better, move better, perform better, work better, do your job better, perform sports better. Those are kind of the local effects, but there is also a lot of central effects. It sends signals up your spine to your brain that kind of fix and restore some normal nervous system function. It brings endorphins and natural painkillers to the area, but also all over your body. That's why it helps you fight off infections and flu and sinus and sickness. And then also it relieves inflammation in this area. And again, I could go on and on and on and on about the benefits of a chiropractic adjustment, but I just wanted to touch briefly on why it's so elegant and why it is a great form of natural care and natural pain relief. So hopefully we answered the question to you guys about the popping, what that is, and hopefully you're not scared about that anymore, because it's not like anything in the movies or anything that anyone has told you about. So again, I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please check us out, like our page, share this video, send it to somebody that you know that is scared of going to a chiropractor. Again, consults are always free in our office if you want to come in and talk to us, and we could get rid of any other fears or misconceptions you might have about chiropractic. Really appreciate it, guys. Have a good rest of your